Well, LOST is the Leuphana Center for Organization and Social Transformation. What unites us as LOST is an orientation towards practices of organizing also outside of formal and established structures. And this practice approach really allows us, on the one hand, to capture kind of entrepreneurial thinking, creative thinking, and ways of doing things differently, but also how to deal with problems in times of crisis and disruption. And we have developed, for example, 2 courses, online courses, one for the COVID crisis and one for the war in Ukraine, where we've systematically looked at, together with our students, what is the role of organizations and different forms of organizing in addressing these crises. Of course, one learning is that bureaucratic forms of organizing are very important in times of crisis because they rely on standard operating procedures, on standardized protocols that can be activated quickly and without much discussion. Yeah? But on the other hand, we also know that bureaucratic structures are quite inflexible. So it's very important to really think about alternative modes of organizing. And here interorganizational relationships matter, but also engagement with civil society, with volunteer organizations, for example, who take a very different organizing approach. They're much more fluid, they're much more informal. Then the interesting stuff happens at the interface of those two. So that is an important question. How can we actually organize the interface between very established, formal, bureaucratic forms of organizing and these more emergent and fluid types of organizing? Well, it's actually exciting to be LOST because it is such a unique group of scholars. So it's a hugely inspiring area and group to be working in right now. Being LOST means being part of a group that is, of course, focused at Leuphana University, but also a group that is very open to people, especially international colleagues, to join us. So we have regular meetings where external faculty comes to visit us. We have actually many requests by doctoral students for a research stay because they really want to have the benefit of being part of this very supportive but also very active and lively group.